Good morning and welcome back to our show, Just a Little Food. Today we'll be making protein pumpkin pancakes. Sit back and relax and enjoy. Let's start making the pancake batter, and I'll start with the dry ingredients. I have here 1 cup of rolled oats, a large scoop of protein powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'll mix that together to make a powder. Now I'll put in the 3 eggs and 1.5 cups of pureed pumpkin. And I'll mix that together. Okay, so that's done. Now on to making the pancakes. Okay, now we're going to cook the pancakes. Okay, these are ready. How does that look? We hope you liked this episode. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.